Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 94. We have to hand today, under last Wednesday's date, another copy of the wonderful catalog issued by Crowder and Sanderson, full stop. Their motorcycle department rather appeals to the boys in this school, and we have, therefore, sent word that we should like several extra copies of the catalog, full stop. The new leather belt, just over a yard in length, for use with a waterproof coat, seems wonderfully cheap, full stop. There is, also, a rather attractive lamp, with silver reflector, suitable for any holder, and this should take well with the boys, full stop. These people are enterprising, full stop. They are inventors as well as dealers, and therefore we should be able to rely upon their motor fittings being absolutely up to date, full stop.